by far one of the prettiest summer days. Crepe myrtle is really taking off. When I planted it, it wasn't much taller than me. So, and it died back a couple times. Like here in New Jersey, they don't. Sometimes you'll lose a couple feet off of them. But man, the only thing I can say that I don't see too much are the hummingbirds hit it. See, there's the flower open up. They must show up, but get a lot of these here, the carpenter bees. They don't sting, but they like to eat wood. They're good pollinators. But today I'm gonna go look at like a clean out. I don't think I'm gonna charge for it because there was a lot of antiques in it. All it is three garages, and they're gonna get the dumpster, so I'm gonna fill the dumpster up. There's a honeybee. I'm gonna fill the dumpster up when it comes and try to recycle and, you know, reuse a lot of the stuff. But I did see some interesting antiques. That's why I said I would do it for no charge. So hopefully it was worth doing. It's also a pretty property. We'll be over there in a second. Look at, I missed that. The morning glory with the crepe myrtle. Man. All right, so once we get there, I'll turn you guys back on. I believe Naz and Dirty are gonna help me, or Ben, are gonna help me clean this out. I think there's a bunch of stuff for Ben's Etsy site, so probably just gonna trade them for that instead of giving them money. And we'll see. There's a yellow jacket, or is that a fly? No, it's a fly that looks like a yellow jacket. See how he's like cleaning himself? He set up looked just like a yellow jacket, but he's a fly. See, and even acting like he's gonna sting. See how he's moving the? Pretty cool. I don't know. Nature's pretty smart with mimicry, or whatever you want to say. That is super cool. It's one of the fun parts about playing in the garden. You always see something different. I have to take you over to my mother's garden one day. It's real good. She's gotten into it the last 2 years. I've gotten out of it in the last 6 or 7 years, but I used to have a huge garden. So I think I'm going to start back on that next year. I gotta cut that. That's a mulberry. Grew up as a weed, and the other two are black walnut. So, all right, at the clean out next. So I got distracted. I'm going to go grab some scrap from the Nintendo house. There's a oven there and stuff, so hey, you chose a good day to do it. It's not too hot today. One? One more. There, you just put your end on. All right, one more piece. What's that, this bucket?
Yeah.
They don't make dishwashers like this anymore. They make them all in plastic. Feel like it's full of water.
Yeah.
Just put. All right, we'll go get some more. All right, I gotta make room. They're coming with a refrigerator. I still have to get over to that other place. Washing machine weighs a ton. Shit, I got oil on my feet from something. Make it all slippery. Alright, so here comes the the refrigerator. Yo, is it heavy? I must have killed a can of oil, man. I think that fridge is gonna go right here in this corner. Save these hockey sticks. Fit real good. Want to go and we all push right here. 1 second. So it has to turn on its corner to go in that hole. Yeah, so this has to come up like this. 1 second. You hold this, I'm going to move this over here. This is heavy. push. Help him. Yeah. We got one corner right there. It's okay. This just has to be moved. All right, here I come. Beautiful. All right, just need stuff to go there.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, next. I just picked up this thing of film. They're bringing me up a filing cabinet. Oh, freaking. This little guy is heavy. Got to weigh 40 pounds, 50 pounds. Just stick it right in that hole. That can go on the front. See, these were the owl magnets I took off the fridge. I like him a lot. He's kind of fun. Maybe I'll stick one of those on the bus so I can remember this job. I can fit it right here. There, you help. No. Bottom. Right here. Right.
Agárralo abajo
Yeah, yeah.
y levántalo.
All right, and then we have one small room, and then I'll come back.
Como que ahí nació el hijo de puta, ¿no?
Right here, no?
Another.
That one thing, and then you have one more big one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And there's a couple things in the garage. I don't know. We will get to the clean out, but probably another video. I don't know. They were motivated. They got that up there somehow. Pretty good. I don't think my load's going anywhere. Definitely have some weight on here. I got to take this off. It's the only thing that's going to fall. So, all right. I'll see you guys at the scrapyard. So, this sure was an unexpected load. All that metal. The Spanish guys definitely didn't say, wow, 6,700 when they were going to be there. So we'll see what we get. I'm going to put you on time lapse and hopefully get all this off. So. So still at the metal yard, and my friends helped me get 71 bucks. I didn't even know that they were going to be there today. I don't know. I'm going to go buy him some beer, and I think I'm going to go grab another load, but I'll put that on a different video. It was definitely a surprise. I wasn't planning on scrapping today, so I guess it's always good to be fluid. All right. See you next time. Peace.